Hello, and welcome to Magic Feather Production. Say hello to my boom bow. That's right, it doesn't just shoot arrows, it can shoot practically anything because this consists on combustion. Now, I saw something on YouTube. A guy did the exact same thing, except the difference of mine. Let me show you. His was a single shot. Mine has preloaded round shells made out of wood, a tube from an old airsoft rifle, washers, pieces of pen and pencil for the cap. So all you gotta do is pull it back, slide it in, bam! Take out the shell like that, and then you put the new one in. So let me show you how she works. They're simple cap gun toys, kind of like a party popper pistol. See? 3 rounds already in there. This little white piece from the pen fits just fancy with the percussion cap. So we're gonna put some black powder in the tube. Okay, now that we got the black powder in here, we're gonna get a wad of flash paper and jam it down. Pellets here. I'll put 1 in there. How about 2? Let's put 2. We're going to put a wad of flash paper in there again. Oh, look who came. Hey, Cougs. Say hi. This one is experimental. This is made out of a cork because these are heavy. They're made out of wood dowels, matchstick heads. Let's put that in this one. Now, Sky, why so much drawback when all you have to do is do a little light tap? This right here is just an attachment. That means yes, 2 in 1. You can shoot arrows just by removing this attachment. Now for the cork with match heads in it. Did I just make a gun? No, I didn't. Homemade guns are called zip guns, and they're illegal. This is not a zip gun. It has no trigger. It does not shoot ammunition like this. See? And I used caps for the percussion. So if this is considered a gun, then this would be considered a gun as well. So why would we be selling these in grocery stores and stuff like that? This can kill. This cannot. Now if your body was paper thin, then yes, it might be deadly. See? Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks and all. See you later.